Bingbing ay. Kapatay ko.
Saka siya number 8 kaya para saka
Mal.
Nita ni Punjud. Ay, bulaga.
Sige, imong action. Imo hala. Ana. Wala pa ka?
Yan niyo pa kwano.
Hoy, ay bagkuan.
Number 9.
Ba, baga ribihan na ay bete na ko ba? Ba. Ba. Grabe.
Huele como me gusta.
¿Cuándo?
Good evening, everyone. Madlang Santa Claus! Happy Fiesta to all of you. I'm First Gandang Ina ng Santa Claus 2024 from Purok Dos. My name is Maymay Fuentes. I'm 34 years old. May 3 anak na lalaki lakman. At may kasabihan, kung ang imong anak gibon tambalik as city, huwag kang ambon kagid ang mupuli. And I thank you!
Ladies and gentlemen, sunod ang Cavaliers of
She tastes like cola.
She got a real ring. That's why I love her.
Candidate number 9 is Mrs. Maymay Fuentes from Purok Dos. She's 33 years old, a mother of 3. Naniniwala sa kasabihan, behind every cloud, there's a flame. Once again, Maymay Fuentes.
There's something about a woman that can do for herself. proud. Something about her. Something so sexy about. Got a woman that don't even need my help. She said she got it, no doubt. There's something about her. Cause she work like a boss.
Lakers Pop candidate number 1! Ladies, gentlemen, and everyone in between, to complete our final 5, let's welcome Jessamy Siton to complete our final 5. Well, that was our final 5, ladies and gentlemen, and of course, our remaining candidates. Still, thank you congratulations for making this far, and thank you so much for your time and effort in joining this pageant. All right. Candidate number 9, join me here. And the remaining candidates, please. Dito sa center. A Peppa Pig. Okay. So before natin open yung question, Hindi lang sa wait. Siya. Okay. Dato magdugan yung question. So, kung sa imong feeling karon you're one of the top 5 finalists.
May gabi isa tanan akong feeling super duper na ang kakulba, kakapoy.
Balik na.